YouTube, it's Nikki from Nikki Lilly. So today I'm going to be doing a cover of Counting Stars by One Republic. I absolutely love this song and I'm going to be doing this cover with my ukulele. Ta-da! I don't play the ukulele professionally, nor do I sing professionally, and so this song and this cover that I'm going to be doing today will not be 100% amazing, and I'm sure that there will be some off notes that I play on the ukulele and that I sing, but you know what, I'm just going to push myself and put out a cover. I'm a little bit nervous because I've not done a video dedicated to singing in a couple of years, but here we go. And if you guys see me looking down here, it is because I have the lyrics up on my laptop. I know this song fairly well, but I just want to make sure that I'm saying the right lyrics. So here we go. Feel this love and I feel it burn down this river every time. Hope is a four-letter word. Take that money, watch it burn. Oh, burn up that old young, burn up that boat. I don't think the world is sold, just doing what we're told. I feel something so wrong, doing the right thing. So right, doing the wrong thing. Collide. Everything that drowns me makes me wanna fly. Oh, lately I've been losing sleep, dreaming about the things that we could be. But baby, I've been praying hard, so no more counting dollars. We'll be counting stars. Oh, take that money, watch it burn, sink in the river, lessons I learned. Take that money, watch it burn, sink in the river, lessons I learned. Take that money, watch it burn, sink in the river, lessons I learned. Everything that kills me makes me feel alive. Oh, lately I've been losing sleep. that's it for this video, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. And if you'd like to see more covers from me, then comment down below what artists you would like me to cover, or what songs in particular you would like me to cover from them. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, big love. Mwah.